Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Sorry it's a little bit windy, but we just got this unit in and it is so cool. I wanted to show it to you guys right away. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 24 dragster, black blackout, spread axles. It's got an awesome interior color. This one does have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom as well as up both the corners there, so good rock protection. You've got a rounded front cap, which is also an upgraded feature. Heavy duty extended 4-foot triple tube tongue, so you guys will have a great turning radius with this unit as well. Side door comes with an overhead gutter, RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. This one has a power package, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet. 2 recessed LED party lights on this side of the trailer, so you'll have great lighting on this side as well. 2 6,000-pound torsion spread axles. This spread axle option gives you an optimal towing experience, and you also have the torsions, which is an independent suspension underneath the trailer. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear as well. Triple strip tail lights here at the back. Gutter, and you also have 2 overhead spots. Nice big escape door on this side of the trailer, so you can pull your cars in and open up your car doors and get in and out of the trailer. Rear ramp door, they're opening right now, does give us a spring assist close as well as a diamond plate transition flap, so great for cars and lower profile vehicles. And coming inside the trailer here, we do have a 3-inch dovetail here at the rear, so you guys will have about a 6'9" rear door opening. Get in and out of the wind. You have insulated walls and ceiling in a red aluminum wall and ceiling liner trimmed out in black. It looks super cool in person. You guys also have 4 4-foot LED lights here in the corners, as well as 6 puck lights, so tons of lighting options. You have a light switch back here, which is going to turn on and off your spots. And then your other light switches up there are going to work your outside party lights and the interior lights in here. Nudo floor as well. This has Drymax underneath it, so it's essentially a waterproof floor, extremely durable. Here's the back side of your escape door. Does have a window in it, and you've got a window across the way. So 2 18 by 44 slider windows with screens, so you guys can have some ventilation. You also have an overhead Mach 8 AC unit. Mach 8's the lower profile slimline unit. Looks a billion times better. They don't stick up as tall and they're a little bit more efficient. You also have a heat strip with this as well. Coming in a little bit farther here, max air roof vent, does have the bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your stuff. You guys can have that open, not worry about water or ripping it off if you forget to close it on your way home. Here's your other light switches, interior step coming into the trailer as well. Backside that RV lock does have a lock latch and a set of keys. There's all your black and your black corners, black diamond plate trim around the edges. You do have outlets in here for your power package. There's your 30-amp box. You guys can take that, port that cord right through the floor right there to your generator or to shore power so you guys can power up your trailer. And here it is. This is a gorgeous unit. Love the red interior. And again, it is insulated as well. So you've got insulated windows, power, and AC. And a full blackout package on the outside. Give us a call. We'd love to earn you guys' business as always. If you're in the market for a new trailer, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available for you guys as well. So if you don't live near us, that's okay. And we do have a buy it now button online. So if you guys want to buy this trailer right now before someone else snatches it up, go online, find the unit, and you can buy it now.